Hello, everyone. I'm a passionate and certified practitioner dedicated to empowering individuals on their journey to healing and personal transformation. I'm a certified NLP practitioner trained by renowned coaches Mitesh Khatri and Dr. YSR. Additionally, I'm a certified international Hope, No, and EFT healer, also mentored by Mitesh Khatri and a certified meditation trainer under the guidance of Sheetal Joth, or Jotha, I must say, with over 60 clients. I have healed. Now, since I could not make the changes in this, the ratio is more than 80 plus now. So this I created almost 2 months back. I have witnessed the incredible power of these modalities in creating meaningful changes. My mission is to transform 200 lives, so which was earlier 2024. As of now, again, since I mentioned that, yes, I have transferred. I have helped somewhere nearly 80 plus clients. To experience the transformation in whatever negative patterns they were going through and whatever they are now experiencing. Well, let's see now. Thank you for being a part of this journey of growth and transformation. And here is the stories of people that I have taken these screenshots. You can go ahead and read. So this is, I've not mentioned anybody's name here. This is completely confidential. People are joining me for VIP sessions. Also, there are many clients of mine, those who are taking VIP sessions. Trust me, uh, here with me on for the group sessions. Let me be very clear. See, when I am learning from my coaches, my mentors, you'll not believe that I have spent till today lakhs of money. But when you are here with me, my intention is completely. This is why I've learned from my mentors also. So my intention is to help you all to overcome whatever patterns you are going. First of all, you are not identified. This was my problem also, that I was going through the symptoms. I was checking the symptoms. I was just going, I was just behind my problem, why it is happening, why that is happening, why am I not able to understand. But when I started to identify what was going on with me, though all those were the symptoms. So many of us, especially women, we go through many things, but we are not able to identify. Now, since here with me every day session 21 days, I promise you, I think Rituji is also here. She has attended few of my sessions, and I hope she will also share her success story, that she has created a lot of positivity in her life, because the tools and techniques that I have clubbed here are all, holistic package that I have created, which is, the few tools I've taken from NLP, and then of course I'm a healer, that I have taken the techniques of tools and techniques from Ho'oponopono, and then I'm a chakra healer also, that I am into mostly into energy healing. So I'll be helping you all to understand the vastness of energy, why we are not able to be in our senses most of the time. We are experiencing, suppose if any one of you is here, that you are not able to locate what and where it is happening. Many a time you are experiencing stomach ache, or maybe overloaded with the work pressure, or experiencing heaviness on your shoulders, but you don't know what's happening with you. Trust me, I will explain you why it is happening. Okay, I think Hema has also attended my few of the sessions, and she by now would have understood, right, Hema? So let's go.
Yes, I've attended your classes.
Yeah. So yeah, because I keep telling people, those who join me, and they keep thinking that we are supposed to join only after, only from the new session. Nothing like that. You can join in between also, because these techniques are nothing related to one. There is no loop. It is nothing like that. You need to relate the previous technique with the new technique. It's completely a new package every day, a new technique every day. So yes, let me proceed further. So these are the things that my clients have shared with me. And this is my visiting card. And these are the pictures of my clients. Before that, also, there are many success stories that I'm going to share with you all. These are the pictures of my clients and feedback. Hi, Hina. Thank you so much for joining. I'm just sharing.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you? Yeah.
I'm good.
I'm just scrolling very slowly. If you all are not able to read, just let me know. I will do a little more slower. See, the did many of you, those are who are already there with me, have completed the Dr. DeMartini test, right? I'm just sharing that how people have created, magic in their lives. So there are people who just attend 3 to 4 sessions and then they start sharing that this is what is something that the change that I'm experiencing in my patterns. I mean, like, I've shared a very few with you all. Trust me. And this is, I could not take the entire picture of the vision board that one of my client has created. And these are the pictures that I have taken while we do the sessions. And this is of the kids meditation that we are doing daily, Monday to Friday. See the involvement of the children, how nicely they enjoy. Let me show you love on all return. Stick by my hey Hina, Hima, captured you in one of the sessions. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want. These are the clients, they are all here, creating magic in their lives, having fun, and my intention is by the end of the day. Thank you, everybody. So, purely the intention is by the end of the day when you are here, you end the session with a positive mindset that yes, today my take is this. I'm feeling relieved. Like when Himaji is there, in my morning meditation sessions, she's enjoying. I still remember that. What happens? People, when you come and when you join for the very first time, everywhere you see, when you join for the very first time, it's you feel confused, right? And it is absolutely okay to feel confused. And in fact, it is a sign that you are confused. What if you're just entering, you start watching a movie? Do you think that you enter the movie theater and with a mindset that yes, the movie is going to be crazy? Because nowadays we have a lot of hints. Yeah, it has got, this these many stars, that definitely the movie is going to be like that. But earlier I still remember that we used to book the tickets and we used to go to watch the movie with an intention the movie is going to be very nice, and then ultimately we used to realize, it was just a boring movie, right? So here in these sessions, I promise you that you will not return disappointed. That is my promise. And even if you feel that after, you know, whatever craze that you come, I still am repeating myself, you come with a craze that yes, there's something going on. And as I started mentioning that, you know, when I'm attending my coaches, my mentors, I literally, initially, you will not believe, my initial days, I was literally frustrated in the sessions. I was like, what's happening here? What sir is trying to tell? The thing is, we don't know the techniques, right? We are not aware what sir is going to teach. We are only confused. We come to a session with a confused mind. Suppose if you start learning a new course, like Hima said that she has already started learning a course, right, Hima? Initially, what you go through, that you feel, yeah, it is confusing, I don't know, I'm not able to understand. But slowly, eventually, you begin to start. Now Shelly has joined. Hey Shelly, very warm welcome.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
sorry, Ruby, for the late, yeah, for the delay join. Yeah, you please continue. I'm there.
Yeah. So the thing is, I still remember when Shelly joined initially. I think 3 to 4 days she was confused, and I was noticing her because I keep telling, if you don't turn on your camera, I will not be able that what you are experiencing. And trust me, we healers, God has blessed her with extra knowledge and extra senses. That apart from five senses, that is the sixth sense that is more activated in us. That there is a button that as soon as we start interacting with the clients and with my people, my button is already open. Even if there are 10 members at a time, my eyes, my senses, I'm smelling, I'm checking your breath work, everything I'm checking. And this is what I try to give you all. Trust me, you are here. I promise you will not return disappointed, or you will not return empty handed. I will give you something. Let's start the success, listening to the success stories of my clients. I know, see, Hina, trust me, that 2.5 months back when she joined me, ma'am, my God, so much she had in her mind and so much she was going on. And trust me, that she came for VIP sessions. You will not believe. See, if I go for VIP sessions for Mitesh Sir's 1 hour, he's charging 5 lakhs per person. He tells very openly. He tells that 1 hour I'm charging 5 lakhs. If you have, you come to me. Otherwise, join my group sessions. Similarly, the rate of my VIP sessions is which is fixed by my coach Mitesh Sir only. So that is 10,000. I have not reduced a single pie from there. And the amount that is fixed for the group session is 5,000. That I reduced like anything. My first month was only 321. Only 321, because what my coach said, after giving, almost one and a half year free of the sessions, then my sir gave me a tappu here, like that. What are you doing? Enough of practice you have done. Because then he tested me. And you will not believe that my personal coach, because in our community we get personal coaches also, we get personal mentors also. And I'm really blessed for for that matter, because I got the best one of them. I know, I keep requesting, sir, if you can manage to come here on my sessions, if you can interact with my people, people would really like to connect with you. He will be like, now Ruby, you have mastered the techniques, go ahead with the techniques, interact with people. Because he was the one testing me for consecutive 4 months. So when I'm giving you 90 days challenge or gratitude statements, He gave me 120 days because he wanted to confirm that yes, Ruby is now ready. And trust me, after testing me from everywhere, Toko Bajao, everything he did with me, every did. He gave me one-on-one personal tool and technique practices also. So that way, I feel that I'm really blessed. And trust me, which is why I'm here with you all. And my program, 21 days, is clubbed with the tools and techniques I think Shelly has already experienced. That most of us are not aware of the energies, the that yesterday I explained yin and yang energy, because of which most of us keep experiencing. Because whatever we see, the traits, the symptoms that we saw in our parents, we unknowingly adopt all of that, and then we start reflecting in ourselves. And then what do? We unknowingly, unconsciously, we are passing it to the our generations, like our children, like how we suffered, our parents suffered, we are passing it to the generations. And now, here in my sessions, after identifying that these are the symptoms, oh my god, I need to develop now. I'm more of a yang energy, which is male energy. I should balance now yin and yang more. And then after balancing yin and yang energy, what do you start balancing? The relationships, the health, and you start balancing all four areas of your life. So let us start. We have Hina here. Hina, can we have you on the? Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. Actually, my I do not have battery power backup with me.
Okay, if you want, we can wait. I mean, we can take up.
Just get.
Yeah.
Okay. Now
Okay.
it's okay.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
So I took one-on-one session, VIP sessions with the Ruby ma'am, and she was so good that she's the only one who pushed me to complete the sessions. Otherwise, she knows that how lazy I am. I just always been trying to skip the session. I do not want to take. I do not want to continue. But she kept me like motivating to keep the sessions on, and she helped me to complete the sessions. And I was so grateful and so helpful for her. Now that she was present at the correct time, at the right time when I needed her in my life.
Thank you.
Till
Thank
God
you.
only sent her in my life when I required her there.
And tell that what you were experiencing.
Right now, like I cannot say that there are no negativities in my mind, but now the sentences which Ruby ma'am taught me na, to be positive, that cancel statement is there, and thoughts do not go away like a magic. They will
Correct.
try to come back to your mind, but she is the one who put the positive energy into my mind. Okay, even though the negativity is coming to you na, then you how you to have to be positive, and you have to go through that negativities.
Correct.
So she kept me like moving towards the positive aspect of my life.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I still remember one day your
And
daughter was.
after this one-on-one VIP session, I have taken group sessions, and now I'm also taking the meditation class of the Ruby ma'am, and
Yes.
that are even so nice. Like from this 1st January only, I joined the session, and they are
Yes.
so relaxing for me. For the entire day, I feel energetic.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Hina, for all the efforts. And I know that, yes, I'm a stubborn healer because,
You are a stubborn coach, I can say, and you are needed for clients like me or students like me.
yeah, and you will not
Because you
believe.
can only push me, na? Otherwise, you know how I am.
Because Hina, I understand whatever I have experienced as a client, right, as my requirement. Because initially, when I started learning, I was like, yeah, this is very boring, what sir is teaching me. And you will not believe, every weekend, because sir used to teach NLP, and I feel that I was the lucky person that time, because now sir is taking, you are spending almost 35,000 for NLP sessions that I also spent. But I was lucky to have the sessions week wise. Nowadays he's finishing all the sessions, all the tools and techniques in 2 days, which is like bombarding all the things together at a time. And now his live sessions are happening 2 months in a once in a 2 months. So it is like, not, it's not giving me that result. But what I feel, people those who are joining him now may or may not experience what I experienced, seriously. But After learning and after understanding everything, what I believe, that you all really need me. I keep pushing people because I know you will keep giving yourself one or the other justification, or you will keep procrastinating, you will keep procrastinating or prioritizing yourself. Okay na, anyways also एक ही बार तो टेंशन हो रहा था यार. It's okay to have tension once in a while. It's okay to go through the depression once in a while. It's okay, but you are not understanding that ultimately you are creating a loop here, the loop of trouble, the loop of tension that subconscious is absorbing. And that unknowingly, the subconscious, when you are sleeping also, it is throwing to you. You are becoming sleepless, experiencing sleepless nights. What's happening with me? Because you have already given the energy of ignorance. Whatever you are sending to your subconscious mind, to your brain, it is throwing you back. And trust me, after finishing your 21 days, be honest to yourself. After finishing your 21 days, and then consistency or practice of that, trust me, you will be a healer like me one day.
And one more thing I want to say about Ruby ma'am. The line you said, na Ruby ma'am, कि the pain is always a memory. It
Yes.
happens only for a second or at that moment. That line got fixed in my brain. Even to my patients or someone complains me na that I have got stitches pain over this area, or I have that back pain when I took anesthesia. Now I even used to tell people that it's a memory. And
Correct.
when you get this message to your brain na, okay, this is not pain, this is the memory what is left in your body or in your brain or subconscious mind, it really gets relief.
And you're even now you are able to relieve your patients mentally also, right?
And this is magic. This is magic. When you like the subconscious mind, it listens to you that it is not pain which is right now present. It is the memory which is you are realizing in your body.
Amazing, Hina. I'm proud of you so much. You are learning, and see,
Even now, I'm conveying this message to anyone. Na? The women they used to complain, and that message also that pre-menopause or depression or the post-menopause, whatever the women are feeling,
yes,
that thing is also now like I'm imbibing that thing and I'm conveying this thing to others also. Okay, you do not jo sentence that was na कि extra awareness is also dangerous for us right now
correct.
because of this social media. तो जितना हमको कम पता होगा ना that comfortable we will be there.
See, of course, awareness is important. You know what happens?
But
Uh,
much awareness is not needed.
don't overload yourself. And I have seen people,
Exactly.
they keep checking. एक symptom आया नहीं, they will jump on the, okay, let me check what is this
Even
and
I
how
used to do the same. Even
great.
doctors used to scold us na, that Google has taught everyone and now the each and every individual is becoming doctor by just Googling.
Googling. Correct. Correct. How nice. Very good. So yeah, and from my side, I will keep giving you all my best, and you are all most welcome. And I know we all know each other. Please keep bringing your friends. And I one request to you all: please heal the men of your house. You are not understanding that they need you more. Most of us are unnecessarily, unknowingly, unconsciously, we are avoiding the men of our families. Trust me, they need you more than anybody else. What we think, we are fighting, we are clashing our egos. See, you have the opportunity, you are here, you are healing yourself, you are helping yourselves. What about them? Their ego, they're suppressing themselves, they are not coming out of it. They need help, so try to heal them. So I think I have already mentioned that I was going through one of Shri, just hold Hina. So I was just going through one of the reels of Shri Ravi Shankar ji, because I follow him also a lot, and Sadhguru and BK Shivani. So once in Shri ji's reel, one lady just got up, the follower, and she asked Shri ji, my husband is very dominating. So and he is a narcissist personality. How to get rid of him? And I feel that he's creating a lot of negativity, and I'm being traumatized in the house. You know what Shri ji's was reply? Why do you want to leave him? Do you think that all of the symptoms you're telling me are the symptoms of any normal person? She said no. Then if you think you have already identified that this person is not normal, going through something, then who do you think is going to help your man? Your man needs you more than anybody else. You have identified that this is his personality. He is, or even she, most of the, even women, even children go through that. But when you are able to identify that they are of these symptoms, should we leave? As a mother, are you going to leave your child, whatever symptoms, whatever tantrums the child is throwing? Do you think you're going to leave your child? No. Similarly, man also need us. He said clearly, he is a sick person. All you need to do, heal him, help him heal. Keep saying, keep chanting. And trust me, we are all going through a lot of trauma. It is the I must say the mass energy, the mass vibrations that we are all experiencing. What is that mass vibrations? Okay, you are healing your house with me. Understand, you will come out of your house environment also, some to some extent you will, and you will heal that. What about the mass environment? Everybody, you go to the parks, you go to the malls, everybody, people coming with a lot of negativity, releasing negativity there. And what happens, these are the vibrations floating in the environment. So wherever you go, you see, you can see, we have the sixth sense. When you enter at a certain place, you can check it. When maybe in your friend's house, maybe somebody needs you, and as you enter the friend's house, you start feeling somewhat uneasiness, discomfort, isn't it? Why? Because the energies are there like this. All we need to start doing, when you're drinking water, drinking lot of water with lots of prayers and mantras, and by being grateful. I will tell you in one of my sessions why water is magical, how water is magical. Hina is already aware because she has attended my sessions, right, Hina? So thank you so much, Hina. Trust me, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'll share with you all my 21 days plan, what techniques and tools I have added, and why it is important. You will not believe that the community that I come from, after I have started this package, many of my colleagues have also started the similar package, because they feel that I am creating magic in people's lives. Why not us also start the similar thing? And I'm really proud of them and very happy for them also. And yes, I will keep inviting one or the other. I must say that my friends, those who are really very good in different areas, like we have done two sessions, one for Reiki healer and one of my neurologist friend, and the other time I invited that acupressure puncture. Remember that acupuncture therapist who came and who explained nicely to everybody else how we need to, which area, which part of the thumb, which part of the hand needs to be pressed, that is going to heal our body. So I will keep inviting people, and now very soon I'm going to invite, maybe not this tomorrow, maybe next Saturday I'm going to invite a, a dietitian. Okay, that food expert who will, nowadays we call them something, no, nutritionists or something like that, right? So I'm going to invite,
Exactly, nutritionist.
yeah, nutritionist. So she's coming. I'm inviting her very soon, and you are going to benefit from her also. Yeah. Thank you so much, Hina. Thank you so much for your feedback. Lovely, lovely for inspiring everybody and those who are
Thank you,
here.
ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Shelly is here. Yeah, Shelly, can we have you?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. First, though, a big thank you to Ruby. You don't even know, in so many ways you helped me, and many things I can't even share. Means, today also, whatever you are telling now, I can relate each and every sentence because same my husband is also like that. So I'm able to understand ki how to deal with these things. So before, no one was there to guide me. After so many years, also, we so many things we can't even share with everyone.
Correct.
And actually they need help.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
And I'm proud of
uh,
you that you have identified now.
hmm,
And
yeah.
just imagine that how many years you took, that you were going on unnecessarily dealing with the symptoms.
Yeah.
Whereas you, if you were able to identify that these are the things that he is also going through,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's really helps me a lot in a different way. Yeah.
Very nice.
And I have read somewhere that to build a habit, it takes 21 days. So what happened? I missed today's session, and I was feeling something. Something is missing. Something is missing. So I was writing that gratitude journal in my office only. So because that was missing, so
Yeah.
it's become my habit now.
It's not your habit, it's your nature because you are a perfectionist, right? By nature,
Yes.
you love to do everything to an extent of perfection. Oh, this should happen this way.
Yeah.
Now I
So,
have missed out. So people who are of this trait, like those
yeah.
who love to follow perfectionism, no, anything
Mm.
missing in them, they will start feeling somewhat some vacuum or something is missing
Mm-hmm.
in their life. But trust me,
Yeah.
it's okay to miss. Don't go into that loop.
Yeah. And so many techniques you taught us in this it's only 21 days, but every day we are learning something new. So it was such a nice journey with you and with everyone. I really loved it.
Thank you. Thank
And so I want to continue, Ruby. I want to continue, but my son's exams and so a few things are there, but I definitely come back to you.
my one thing is that please don't drop as and when you are free. The link
Hmm.
is all will be shared in the group.
Hmm.
Continue with that link, keep
Hmm.
joining, and keep learning and keep spreading this magic. Whatever you have learned from here, spread it to others.
Yeah,
So they,
definitely. I'll do that. Even I'll share with my friends also if they are also interested.
yeah,
Yeah.
thank you so much. And Hema, because I know Hema could, only 4 to 5 days, and she also told me that she really felt very happy. Many of my clients have already messaged me that Friday, and they may join a little late, but yes, let's see. Then till then, I will start with my 21 days program sharing. Yes, Hema, can I have you now? Do you want to share anything?
Hello,
Yeah.
can you hear me?
Yes, audible.
Yeah, like initially I didn't know like what it is healing and meditation and all about. Then I had a little bit pain, arthritis pain, all those things. Like when I started doing this, it is very beneficial. And I had been to a trip with my family, my brother's family, and all. So I had this continuous cough thing. So I remembered your healing session that making balloon and I just tried that in the car while traveling. I was continuously coughing. When I did, it stopped. I was like feeling so miracle, like it was so powerful. It
Yeah.
really felt great. Like I need to continue this. Like that. It's very beneficial. Thanks a lot for that. Like without your help, your guidance, like it's nothing.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much.
Yeah, thank you, Hima. Thank you. Thanks a lot for your feedback. And yes, we have Ritu here. Ritu ji, if you have anything to share, because you are also attending dancing with me every day, yes, I will explain you all what we need to do for 21 days. And as I mentioned, that yes, it is an offer from me that only for this month applicable as of now, that along with the 21 days, I'm giving everyone 1 month meditation complimentary. Maybe if you are there with me, and if you are listening to me, it would be great if you respond that yes, 1 month meditation is complimentary along with the 21 days program. Okay, please make a note of it, everybody. Yeah, yes, Rituji.
Yeah, first I like your Zumba session because I need it and I want to do this
Yeah,
and morning meditation also
yes,
very
yes.
good. I
Yeah,
feel very nice.
thank you so much, Rituji. I know
Mm,
you are dancing with me, and you're enjoying with me a lot. All of that
yeah.
I can see. Thanks a lot.